One of the best ways to keep your people engaged in the content you've assigned them is to not give them big walls of text to have to deal with. I mean, come on, that's what physical handbooks are for, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some multimedia intentionally into my content here. To do that, I'm going to use the Quick Embeds tool. Quick Embeds is this blue lightning bolt icon in the toolbar. If I click on it, you'll see YouTube's in there, images in there, PDFs in there, all kinds of other tools that you can embed right inside of Trainual. Now I already got a URL for a video from YouTube that I want to go ahead and embed. So I'm going to click YouTube, and then I'll paste that URL right here and click Embed. And boom, there's the video all ready to go. Pro tip, check out our integration with Loom that will let you record and embed your own videos right inside of Trainual. And now you know how to spice up your content with informative, engaging, and yes, even fun multimedia that your people will thank you for.